Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri rang badu ka sorkar jela u Conrad ke sangma. Habayakren bat kilat pathai kubor, Hadien ka Plie ya ka ying school themai, jong ka Sacnction oit higher secondary school. Ulayathu baka Plie ya ka shispa Jingthiah ha Mawkyrwat kam Sacnction. Bat menta kadangdon ha ka jingpen kre, ban penskem ya ka kam. Ula ongru tang mariade ban penskem ya ka kam, ne Sacnction ya kini kipus. Shen on pleno yakane ka hospital kapaka Jingthiah la deblut baro.
We are almost in the process of sanctioning the post. So as soon as that is done, I think it's almost through. I don't know the exact status of it, but as soon as we do all of that, we would like to open it and make it functional. So though the building and everything is ready, the Honorable MLA, who's also Minister, has said that we need to ensure that not just inauguration, it should be operational itself also. So we're just going to ensure that as soon as all the paperwork for all the sanctioned posts are also done, so we'll inaugurate and operationalize the same time.
Okay,
We'll do it at the earliest.
Habayadai bat kasurok intermediate na Mawklang sa Mawkyrwat. Nakaliang Menteri rangba ulayat horu baka sorkar jela kalade ban mangpisa hadu arpusan klur tengka. Nakabanta kawat kabaningkong neka first phase na Mawklang sa Wayloy. Katbaya ka neka ju kasurok na Wayloy sa Mawkyrwat bat na Wayloy sa Mawsenram on sa shim ha kabanta ka baar. Bat ula ongru baka jingkhot tender nakabanta ka first phase kan long hakini ki banai ki banwan.
So therefore, we have sanctioned 25 crores. New road, it will be for intermediate road up to Veloy in the first phase. And so from Mawklang to Veloy will be first. And then after that, in the second phase, we will take up the remaining part from Veloy to Mawkyrwat and Veloy to Mawkyrwat. So the first phase is 25 crores for Mawklang to Veloy, which has been sanctioned. I hope that maybe in a month's time, the tender will be out for that.
Okay.